Today's topic is article usage. A and the. We're going to go over the basics. 3 very small words that mean a lot. Today we'll discuss what they are and how to use them. First, an article is an adjective that describes. Its job is to count or to emphasize a noun. Nouns, remember, are people, places, events, animals, ideas. Here are some examples. A or an are used with count nouns. The is used with non-count nouns. How do we tell the difference between a count and a non-count noun? Well, countable nouns can be expressed in plural form. For example, boy, student, books, tree, idea, bike, cars, school, rule, llamas, all can be counted and all can be made plural. Nouns that cannot be plural or cannot be counted are called non-count nouns. For example, none of these words can have an S added to it. It cannot be counted, it cannot be plural. Homework, advice, clothing, information, education, water, mail. After all, we do not say 1 homework, 2 advices, 1 clothing, 1 informations, 2 educations, 3 waters, or 2 mails. These words cannot be plural. Homeworks, advices, clothings, informations, educations, waters, or mails. It just sounds funny. Yep, sounds funny. Nope, we don't say it like that. Gets a little confusing, but don't panic. We're going to learn some simple rules that will help you. First, use A to introduce countable nouns. For example, Jamal set a book down on the table. A indicates one of many. So A is also known as an indefinite article, in addition to being an adjective. An is also an indefinite article, and just like a, it counts or introduces countable nouns. But an is used with nouns that start with vowels or soft consonants like ibex, I-B-E-X, or hour, H-O-U-R. Look, an ibex has been here for an hour or more. Or another example is Jamal put a letter in an envelope. Except some nouns starting with vowels have a hard consonant sound. When this happens, we use a instead of an. Most words starting with the letter U have a hard sound. Words like universe, university, user, uniform. We live in a universe full of beauty. Jamal attends a university. Sirhan wears a uniform. Let's talk about the and its properties. For example, Jamal reads a book. Jamal reads the book. Which is it? The answer is you can use either, but usually you want to introduce the noun with a, and then after you've introduced it and your reader or writer is aware of it, then you want to use the. For example, Jamal set a book down. The book was very old. The is called a definite article, where a and an are called indefinite articles. The is definite because it refers to a definite noun. Number 3, use the before specific or unique nouns, especially when they come with a superlative. For example, the earth revolves around the sun once every 365 days. We only have one earth and we only have one sun. Yes? Number 4, use the with superlatives. For example, Sirhan is the best teacher at this school. Let's reflect. First, use a for singular unspecified nouns. Jamal has a book. Second, use an with soft consonants and words that begin with vowels, except most U words. Use the after a noun has been introduced. I have a book. The book is old. Number 4, use the for singular specific that the best or the best of best nouns. The book is the oldest of the very old. So let me ask you, if I tell you I have a pair of shoes I never wear, or I say Jamal said I should give the shoes to you, which is correct? Both of them. Congratulations. Let's try another one. If I say I bought shoes at a store, is this correct? If you said yes, you did a good job. And then I said those shoes were the most expensive shoes there. Would I have used my articles correctly? If you said yes, you guessed right. Good job. I hope this helped, but if you're a little confused, go through it again and take notes this time.